17th of October, and today we're supposed to sketch a journal, a pen and ink. Now, to me a journal is really a notebook. That's basically all it is. So at two parallel lines at an oblique angle, that'll be, and then another one in the center, which will be the center of the line between the two pages. And it looks a bit long, but it'll... So, curved pages, they're not flat. So it's not a diary, it's more like an exercise book that I'm thinking of here. A bit further up, I think, yeah. That's a bit better, yeah. Which means I need to change the bottom and bring that up another little bit as well. Yeah. Oh, okay, I think that is okay. Width to height, and we'll just put in the center now. Oh, ooh, that's not great, is it? I think I made it worse there. I have. You know what? When I do the pen, it'll come out a lot better. That's basically it. But now, my idea here is that there's going to be somebody holding a pencil or a pen or something. So I'm just sketching in the outline here of a pencil. Or maybe a pen. It's hard to know. And the person will be standing at about the same level as the tip of it, and make them look as if they're holding a fairly big weight, you know, that they're leaning back a little bit, 1 foot forward and 1 foot back, taking the weight. Okay, proportion wise I'm happy enough with that, and it will be a woman. Okay, now I think if we start inking this in, it might start looking a little bit better. And I'm thinking I'll use a brown ink later on for the lines in the notebook. Straightforward, just a bit of an angle here, but I think I can make it. Yep, I did. And try it. It's near enough. And what do I do next? Across the bottom, I think, yeah. No, to the side. So there's a bit of a hard back to this, we'll say. And a couple of pages in here, so just a couple of flicks in there. Rather than putting in specific pages, we're giving the impression here of pages. All right, that's all, just the impression. And the top one will be the one going over the furthest on that side. And I can't get that. All right, there's a bit I don't really want to do yet, but I might as well do it now. Make the commitment and do it. I reckon once I've this done, the rest of it should be fairly straightforward. Space there. Now for the person. Bit of a clip. I think I'll put a clip in here. So it's more like a pen. Right. A couple of fingers. And remember the hairs go straight down. Yeah, that's a bit better. And a very simple feet. One forward and the other one a little bit bent, going back. Yeah, that's okay. No, we're not trying to be too accurate in this. Just, come on, it's a bit of fun. That's the way I look upon Inktober. It's just a little bit of fun. Is it Zen? Probably not. No, it's more like, but maybe I'm confusing here. What I'm trying to say is, don't be, how would you say, allow mistakes to happen and just go with it. So I'm just putting in brown lines here to, the way in a diary or something you've got lines that you're going to write on. That's what these brown lines are. And take your time. So I'm kind of as I'm going along, I'm taking my time because I know things aren't exact. I'm not getting these curves right. I'm not trying to have this photorealistic or anything. This is an illustration of a journal. I didn't want to do something serious. I like this idea of doing some cartoon type characters, little stick characters. Add a bit of fun to them. I've looked at a lot of these Inktober, things that people have been doing. And you know what? A lot of them are very serious. And I didn't want to do that. Now, I know I'm actually losing subscribers as I say this, because I've noticed my subscribers have reduced since I started doing these Inktober things. But I'm enjoying it. And to me, that is the most important thing. I haven't started this channel in order to get a whole load of subscribers, as you probably know. This is for me. I'm trying to learn as I go along. I have to concentrate a bit here now. And I'm also trying to be loose. I don't want to go back. I used to do very, very fine pen and ink drawings and sketches. Not quite photorealistic, but close enough to it. And it just destroy my mind. You can spend days doing a piece, and I'm too old for that now. I'm in my 70s. I now want to enjoy life a bit more, and lines aren't straight. I rejoice in the fact that the lines aren't straight. Because in my previous existence, if a line wasn't straight, I would be beating myself up, and I used to do them with very fine pencils. I did I suppose looking back, some lovely sketches, but I don't know if I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed the finished piece and showing it to people and saying, look how great I am. But honestly, I don't think I got as much enjoyment out of that as I do with these things that 5 or 10 minutes, that's all. I know a lot of people think it's a load of rubbish, and it probably is, but to me it's not rubbish. This is enjoyment, plain and simple. Bit of enjoyment, a bit of fun, and I can look at this now and smile. It's not great. I'm back to be brown now, and it is 2024. I'll stuff that in there, and if I can try and write October at an angle, I will. And there we go. Now, I don't think I can do any more, to be honest with you. I think that's about it. I have a grey one here that I've never used before. I think I'll use that and just throw in. It looks like a pencil actually when you do it. It's nice light grey. A little bit of a shadow there, and nothing special. Just give it a little bit of I don't know what. I'm probably overdoing it now. Come on, stop. I've done it enough. It's hard. Sometimes hard to stop, isn't it? Alright, back to black. And what do we do at the end of all our pieces? We always sign them. Very important. So let's do it here. That's myself, Oliver, and it is Inktober. And it is 16th, 2024, or is it 17th? Can't remember. That'll do. That's fair enough. 16th is as good as anything else. Okay. Where's me? Well, now that's it finished, and came, I think, a little bit over the 10 minutes, but that's all right. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. And sure, look, I'll come back with another sketch again during Inktober month, and I might also go back to do some of the other traditional ones that I was doing as well, just to keep my hand in. But look, thanks for watching, and I hope we'll see you again in another day or two. Till then, slán tamil.